Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And this time is really nothing special at all. Just that I've been waiting for this package since June last year. It's a Kickstarter thing, and I pledged in June last year. And then the post office in Sweden, as terrible as they are, they lost the first package. The company didn't want to send me a new package until they received the one that they sent, and just a bunch of problems. So finally I got them here, and it's a super cable, HALOBAND super cable. Just your standard iPhone, no, not standard, I'm gonna get to that. Your iPhone charging cable. And I buy a lot of cables. I never ever use Apple's own cables. They're ugly, they get dirty quick. They're just not good. So I buy a lot of cables from Belking and lately also from Anchor just to compare. And the issue that everybody has, that the cable breaks in that part, I never had that problem. Maybe with the old iPhone cables when I used to use iPhone cables, but and with the longer Belking cable. Belking had 3-meter cables before, and they were super nice until they broke. So my only issues with cables today is that marks, I don't know what the English word is for it, but the electric part gets burned and black and breaks off. That's the only issue that I have with cables. The point with these cables, let me see what we have here. We have 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. All of them are 2 meters. They were not supposed to be 2 meters, all of them. I was supposed to have 2 of them in 1.2 meters and 2 of them in 2 meters. Anyway, so the thing with these are that they're supposed to last way longer than any other cable, flexible, yada yada yada. But the thing that that interests me were that they were supposed to charge 2.5 times faster than your Apple cable. And now to the point, your new Apple iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max comes with these chargers, and it's a fast charger, 18 watts I believe, and as you will not see, there is a USB-C connection on the charger because it's only the USB-C that can charge your phone that fast. But in the other end we have the lighting cable still. So this cable, USB-C to lighting, is sort of a halfway into the future. I really hope that the next iPhone, even though I have like 50 cables, I still hope that the next iPhone will have USB-C, USB-C in both ends. So that's why I bought them, because I wanted durable USB-C to lightning cables. Because when I did this Kickstarter thing, when I pledged it in June, the only USB-C to lightning cable there was Apple's own, and they were way expensive just for a standard cable, and they did not have them in 2 meters. Today everybody has them. Belking, Anchor, whatever, have probably in different length and variations of colors, etc, etc. But when I ordered these were the only ones that I found. So cheaper than Apple's cable, longer than Apple's cable, better looking, absolutely more durable. But June last year, I mean, that's 10 months ago. So today you can buy just any cable. And I was supposed to get a pouch to the cables because they could not meet their shipping time. And here is no pouch, no nothing. Yeah. So I'm disappointed of the Kickstarter thing, but the cable's probably good. I use that in my daily sling bag. I want one that is 1.2 meters. I don't want to carry around 2-meter cable. When I go travel, I do, but I always have just your standard short one. That's it. No more fun than this. 18 watts fast charging, anti-bending design, ultra strength, Kevlar fiber, yada yada yada, durable braided cable, tangle resistant, Apple MDFI, whatever, certified. Buy any cable you want. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you.